Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet Malibu. Great little car, guys. I bought this car at a show down in Tennessee. I love the color combination. It's a factory color. It's called Grecian green. I wish we had the sun shining because it just pops. It's got great shine to it. It's got a set of chrome rev wheels all the way around it, BF Goodrich Radial TAs. But killer car. I bought this car, and then we were at the show for about 4 or 5 days, my wife and I, and this was kind of my runner car. Anytime I needed something, I jumped in it and drove it. It's got a Holley Sniper kit on it. And man, fun little car to drive. It's got great sound. It's got air that'll freeze you out of there, blows ice cold. Just a fun car to drive. It's got 3,600 miles on a complete frame-up restoration. They have put tubular UMI Performance tubular upper and lower control arms on it. It's got UMI front and rear sway bars. And like I said, I just had a blast driving it. Again, love the color. Wish we had some sun on it because, man, it just jumps off that car. It sits good, great sound. Just not a whole lot to really nitpick. There's a couple of things in the paint, but really just a nice car, man. Good, solid, straight body. Real pretty paint. And like you say, just a fun car to drive. I mean, you fire this thing up, it's got a great sound to it. It shocked me a little bit when the guy fired it up. Nice little cam to it. Great sound. It's got flows on it, so it's got a great sound. I just dig it. I think it's a really cool car. I think someone's going to get this thing and just have a blast with it. It's got the eyebrow taillights. That's factory. He's put a Chevelle emblem up here because it had the dealership emblem. He didn't like that. Back in the 60s, the dealers used to put their tags on it. He didn't like that, so he took it off. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, good rubber, good looking set of chrome revs. Great stance. Really sits there like a muscle car should. 68, it's got a 68 date coded engine in it. Not the matching numbers engine, but it is a 68 327. And again, it's got that Holley Sniper EFI kit on it, Edelbrock intake. Real nice set of Hooker ceramic chrome headers, or ceramic coated headers. HEI distributor. Power steering. It does have power disc brakes. That is one thing you can kind of nitpick on a little bit. It's got a good cam in it. It's got a lumpy cam in it. So when you fight, if some guys are gonna know what I'm saying when I say this. When a car's cammed up like that, it'll at idle it has a soft pedal. You can put a vacuum canister in it if you want to, but I just kind of live with it. Vintage AC. That's brand new. Blows ice cold. Aluminum radiator. Again, it's got UMI tubular upper and lower control arms and a big sway bar on the front. So it handles really nice. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Great sound. Love the cam in this car. I mean, it hits. I think that'll come off, guys. Looks like some kind of glue or something. Like I say, slick paint. Yeah, when he fired this thing up, man, it surprised me. 8-pillar chrome's pretty nice. You can pick it a little. New mirrors, new door fuzzies, looks like new door handles, new door rubbers. Bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. Put new carpet in it, new door pads, new sill plates. Bucket seats with the console. It's got the stock dash in it. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Factory dash, 3657, and I'll bet you I put 25-30 miles on this car, just like I say, all around. That's a brand new Retrosounds radio, but it is going to need to be hooked up, guys. It's got the newer vintage controllers, aftermarket gauges. That's your Holley Sniper, what do you call it, on the console. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 10-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. Also has a big UMI sway bar in the rear. Still got the original numbers on your quarters. I think he said he put lowers on this car, though. Maybe lower inners. I can't remember exactly what he said. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Good looking car though, man. Real good looking car. It's clean underneath. Matter of fact, we haven't had a chance to get it under there, get the pictures done of it yet, but we'll make sure we do that. Just been so backed up, so busy, guys. And I know guys are getting upset. We're a little behind on getting pictures done. We've just been busy. We're prepping stuff that's leaving. That's just a little wax. And of course, some stuff's needed parts. It's hard to get parts right now on anything. Seats are nice. And again, man, I probably drove this car on 10 different separate occasions, just running up and down the strip cruising. And it's a good car, nice and tight. Again, the only thing I could tell you I could pick is that it's got a soft pedal at idle. I'm not a big fan of those vacuum canisters. I think they're ugly, but I know some people install them and it's not a big deal. Ice cold. Nasty little cam in this thing. This thing hits. And it runs on pump gas. It's nothing crazy. I like this color, man. I just think it's killer. I know speedo works. Gauges are all functional down there. Holding good oil pressure. Again, I had it in traffic. It never got warm. Backup lights work. Car hits. Again, you're gonna have to hook the radio up. That is a brain. Matter of fact, still got the clear plastic on it. It's got the newer blower motor switches, all that stuff works. Doors open and close nice. It's just a good quality car. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.